Come on.
Ah! What?
Look, this repellent is starting to really make me worried. Lavender. Today we'll be making and trying popular DIY natural mosquito repellents. So for the first one, it was supposed to be just soybean oil. But gosh, the smell is... I can't stand the smell. So soybean oil is supposed to be able to repel mosquitoes by itself. I forgot to open it. Okay, lavender sounds nice. Since the main focus of this is on the soybean oil, not on the repellent properties of the essential oils, I'm just going to be adding just a little bit just so we can smell, so that it doesn't repel me. Shake it. Okay. It looks so fancy now. I will sell this as aerated gold. Load the soya beans. I'm just kidding. This smells really good though. It smells like lavender. A bit of undertone of the soya bean, but it suits lavender really well. I might actually wear this as a perfume. If it were. Ooh. Alright, for the second salad dressing, mixture, we're going to just be adding distilled water. Milliliters of water in here, and the remaining 10 milliliters will be essential oils. For this one, I've chosen lavender and eucalyptus, thanks to my incredible memory. Okay. A quick note, in all the mixtures that follow, the concentration of essential oils in the bottle will always add up to 10%. That's because I decided to cap it at that, as a precaution against any type of skin irritation that might occur. With the varying points of difference being the types of essential oils, or carrier oils, or water, or rubbing alcohol. So, with that said, 10% of a 100 milliliter bottle should be about 20 drops of essential oils, or 10 milliliters. And so I've put in already 17 drops of lavender. I know, right? Accuracy. I said 15. So now I'm going to put in the remaining 3 drops of eucalyptus. I'm pretty okay with this though. Eucalyptus is a really strong scent. And we're set. Okay, all we need to do is shake this, and then we'll try it out. Literally just water and essential oils, right? It should smell really good. Soda. Alright, let's try this. This is nice. This is actually nice. Neat. Wow, it smells fresh. Very refreshing. Hey, I might make more of these. All right, third mixture, really simple. Essential oils here, and distilled water, and then the carrier oil. All right, so as I said before, 10% of it will be essential oils. The rest, the remaining 90 milliliters, will be water and coconut oil in equal parts. So, tap that. And for the essential oils, I'm going to use peppermint and rosemary. Okay, so again, 10%, which means 20 drops in total, 10 each. All right, focus. 5 drops. How many drops was that? Oh, would you look at that? It's piercing. Looks pretty. All right. Obviously this, I don't think this is 100 milliliters. There's so much empty space, but okay, let's shake it. Shake. Ooh, let's do some tricks. Okay, that was ridiculous. Okay. Whew, it's turned out very milky. Wow. Got oil on it. Okay, wait, let's see. The shirt trick works every time. All right, my hands are now all oily because apparently I didn't close the bottle tightly enough. Note to self, really just let it go, let the dream go. Okay, let's give this a scent test. Surprisingly, this really does go on a lot like repellent. Very nice. I can smell the peppermint. I can't really smell the rosemary though. Oh, ooh, the coconut. You can't smell it from say a distance. From a distance it smells a lot like peppermint, but get up in there. It smells like coconut. It's delicious. Wow. I just realized what it smelled like. Salad dressing. It's the perfect salad dressing. And on to the next one. So this one is just going to be a carrier oil. I've chosen sunflower oil and an essential oil. Okay, great. I'll be using pine oil. As you can see, pine oil here was kind of different from all of his other essential oils. It was a lot cheaper for some reason, and it came in liters, not in drops. Okay. So I'm also going to be upsizing the bottle. Wow. Okay, so as before, essential oils 10%, so now there'll be 25 milliliters, or should be 50 drops, but pine oil, look, come on. Okay, let's focus. Let's get it right. All right, so 225. Excellent motor skills. Let's see. 225, all right, let's not mess this up. 200. Okay. It's roughly 225. so cheap. What is wrong with this spray? It smells dreadful. I won't mask anything. Sunflower oil and pine. It's just such a bad idea. And for the final mixture, it's going to be a combination of distilled water, rubbing alcohol, and 2 essential oils, which is lemongrass and citronella. So the reason we add alcohol is to help the water and oil mix, because alcohol helps to dissolve oil. All right, let's start pouring it in. This is really fragile, so if I accidentally knock it over, believe me, it will break. There we go. Equal parts of alcohol and distilled water. Otherwise, the oil dissolves the oil. Okay, let's pour it in. All right, now I'm going to add the essential oils. Again, with the 10% concentration total of essential oils, 25 milliliters, since this bottle is about 250 milliliters. So that translates to about 50 drops. I'm going to use 25 of each essential oil. All that's left to do is shake it. I executed all of the steps perfectly this time. Maybe I do have what it takes to be a chemist. So this is the final product. Looks professional. Let's try it out. Shake it. This smells just like the repellent I used to buy from the store when I was a kid. It smells just like it. I can't believe this. Wow, this is amazing. I can't stop spraying it. I was really comfortable with this repellent. Alright, for the moment of truth. So, sorry by the way if I sound nasal, it's because I've come down with a bit of a cold recently. Alright, so I plan to test them, 1 on each body limb, but I've only got 4 body limbs. Shocking, I know. So I've tied my hair up and I'm going to use the 5th one on my neck. Alright, let's get into it. Okay, this is soybean, I think. I can tell by the smell. It came out like a beam. Oh my gosh, the smell of coconut.
Welcome to my backyard. There are normally always a lot of mosquitoes around here. Actually, I can see them already. Okay, it's time. Come on. Oh yeah. What? This. Which? Okay. So, obviously my left leg, whichever repellent was on this leg... Oh wait, I know which repellent was on this leg. Soybean! Not only does it smell bad... Uh-oh, it's starting to... Come on. Come here. They really seem to be going after the legs. But only my left leg. Look at my left leg. You see that? That is the mark of betrayal. Okay. Alright. So it's been a pretty fruitful experiment. And now it's time to escape. Let's go. On further inspection, I actually did get one more bite on my left arm. It's itchy. So in total, that means the successes were on the right side of my body, I guess. And my neck. I mean, nothing even went near my neck.
Here's a quick overview of my love and hate relationship with mosquitoes. I love them and they hate me. Just kidding. I hate them, and not to be narcissistic, but they love me. Literally, just this morning I was getting bitten by mosquitoes. They find a way to find me, chase me everywhere, even when everybody else is fine.